Hi, my friends. Let us go to the part 2 of the writings. So today we are going to write about the advantages of computer and why we must make computer lessons compulsory in school. So now let us go to the question first. They said that your class has been discussing on the advantages of computers classes and your teacher has asked you to write an essay about why it is compulsory for all students. Compulsory means it is a must for everybody to attend the lessons. Okay. In your essay, you should write about why are computers classes compulsory this day? The advantages of computer classes and where can you usually go for these classes? Okay, these are the three things that you need to write. Okay, for your information, you need at least 6 points. Okay, 6 points. Okay, to complete this writing. So you can divide 2 points, 2 points, 2 points. Okay, so we can say that, okay, why we need to learn computer? Why students must learn computer in school? Because computer has played an important role in our daily life. Okay, for example, during this pandemic season, okay, computer is used without failure. You can give an example, support. So it is compulsory for students, okay, to have computer lesson in school. Okay, so they can use the computer efficiently. You can say that for the first point. And then for the second one, okay, here we need 2 points, right? The second one. Okay, you see, nowadays, okay, according to the researcher, I just tell you the story according to the researchers, okay, they mentioned that, okay, between decade 是10年里面 within decade 10 years, okay, all the books, okay, all books will be replaced by computer, and then the classroom learning also will be replaced by e-learning. So it's not only for those, so it is important for everyone to learn about computer. Okay, it is important. At least everyone must have some knowledge about the computer. Okay, because the world is changing, it's different already. So how are you going to write this? How to put them in sentence? Come, let's go. You can say that computer has become an essential part in our daily life and computer classes are becoming more popular in schools. It is undeniable that computer is used without failure, especially during this pandemic season. Thus, computer classes are a must in school for those who are unable to use the computers efficiently. Okay? And then the second point, you can continue. Not only for that, okay? Not only that, it should be compulsory for everyone and all should know at least the basic. Why everybody should know at least the basic? Because we are moving to into the 21st century, okay? As we move into the 21st century, books are reducing slowly and schools are moving towards digital learning. According to researchers, within a decade, books would be replaced by computers for learning. Keeping this in mind, schools should take a positive step and make computer classes compulsory before it is too late. Okay, so this part done already. Now let us go to the second part. the advantages of computer. Okay, why you need to learn about the computer? Why? Okay, of course, at first, if you have the knowledge, okay, if you have the computer knowledge, you can access to the website that you want. You can surf the internet, okay, to search for the learning materials that you want, right? And that it can help you in your study. It can make your study easier, the first point. And then the second point, why? Okay, because you must need to know about the computer, okay, because the computer will link you to the world. You will be alert to what's happening around you, what's happening around the world. You will learn from the computer. You will know from the computer. They will tell you about that, okay. And then you can pursue your interest also. For example, there are so many webs available, okay, so for example, if you're interested in cooking, so you can go to the cooking websites and to gain some knowledge, okay. If you want to learn about science, biology, so you can go to the biology websites, okay, and learn about that, okay. So there are many things to learn, okay. It enable you to get knowledge, okay, more knowledge, okay. So this is very important. So now let us go. So 2 points, remember. First, it helps you in your studies. And then the second one is help you to know, to alert about what happened around you or around the world. Okay, now let's go to the first point first. There are many advantages of computer class. One important reason is students will become skilled at using computer as well as the internet. It will help at gaining more knowledge in their lesson as they are able to search for relevant information with ease. E-A-S-E. Ease means easy. In addition, another advantage of having computer classes is students will be able to use computer quickly and effectively, which will help them when doing work or research for other subjects. Okay? Can you understand or not? The first one. Okay. And then the second one, let's go. Furthermore, computer classes will aid students, AID means will help students to learn more about the world around them, as well as keep updating with the latest developments. There are many online sites that can enlighten them about the happening in the world, such as Wikipedia, the Star, and if you want to know about the space, there is NASA's website. These websites exist to help students with their valuable knowledge. So we already mentioned about the 2 advantages. Now let us go to answer about this. Where can you usually go for these classes? Of course, the first one, the easiest one, the cheapest way to go, the easiest way, the most convenient one is to go to your school. As every school, you have an IT room. You can go and learn in the room. If you have any questions, you can ask your teacher for help. And then the second one, now we can see that there are many IT schools, or there are many IT learning centers, okay, computer learning centers around the town, okay, we can say that, okay. So we can go there and sign up for the course. Okay, 2 places you mentioned. One is in school, okay, and another one is you sign up for a computer lessons outside school. Okay, so now let's go to the school first about your IT room. So we go to do that. There are many places where one can attend computer classes, as most schools have an IT lab. Students can easily go there to learn about using computers with the help of their teachers. Besides, there are many computer classes Besides, a lot of computer classes are mushrooming in every town, enabling anyone to enroll in the academy. So, finish already. We already answered the questions. Okay? 2 points, 2 points, 2 points. Now it's time for us to make conclusion. Of course, for the conclusion, you have to tell about the advantage also why we have to learn computer, because it can bring you fun, especially for those students. Okay, it can make your study easier and you can study in fun way. Okay, we can say that. We can just make a short conclusion. In conclusion, computer lessons will help students to not only make their studies easier, but learn in a fun and thrilling way. Okay, this is the end for today's lessons. Thank you very much.